Hello friends, this is Rakesh Ranjan and you are watching Teriano. Today I am here to inform all of you that we are going to start a YouTube channel which will cover the entire class 6 to class 12 subject wise classes by the different tutors who are very much professional and very much efficient in their fields of subject, so that they can answer your each and every doubt, each and every concept they can clear for you. And in the session, between the session, the we will try to cover up some of your doubts, some of your questions, or some of your queries about the guidance for the future, such as if you are not able to draw your future lines, then instead of you, we will assure you that every kind of help will be extended from our side to you. In all of these, one thing uh, I would like to very clear very efficiently, that we are starting this channel because of two basic reasons. First, we are willing to extend free of cost and quality education to the children who are very much uh, not economically very much sound, but they are willing to try they are willing to break the ice very efficiently. So we will work in that manner. Other thing, that we want to create a network where the teachers and teachers will be associated to the children's and the schools, especially the government schools where the children are not getting proper and quality education due to some reasons. So we are extending, we are willing to extend our services in that direction also. So all of these, we are very much aware that the commercialization of education has been the major impact which has been in the life of a bright student, which restrict her or his dreams to be fulfilled. So we will work in that direction also. So basically, we are here to provide you quality educations through video lectures from class to 6 to 12 for each courses, and I would take the classes of geography in that sections. So you can ask anything. You can search the channel on the YouTube, and you can subscribe the channel over there. You can follow us in the Facebook and rest of the social media platforms, and the update will be updated to you very soon. And in this regard, from your side, I would only urge that the parents and the children both have the responsibility, that they have to come into this picture, and they have to share their experiences, their problems there, if they want to be uh, they taught in the different manner, or what else they can suggest in that manner. They can comment their comments in the comment box of the videos respectively. uh, rest of the rest of the information will be delivered very soon, and hope you will support the channel, and support the motto behind this channel. So we would like to be very much excited about this, and hope I will see you soon in the videos and lectures. So till then, stay safe and stay very much energetic and hopeful. Thank you so much. Have a good day.